Hi all, welcome to Learn Code Repeat. So today we'll be looking at the day 15th of the September challenge. The problem is length of last word. This has been asked by Google and it's one of the easy problem in LeetCode. So let's look into the problem. So the problem is given a string S consists of upper or lowercase alphabets and empty space characters. Return the length of the last word in the string. And if the last word does not exist, return 0. So the example is hello world. In this the last word is world. So we have to return 5. So a word is basically either single word or it can be multiple words, but it's separated by space. So using space we can split the string. We can do it that way, but that would take additional space to store the string array, right? So let's do it without splitting the string and directly going from the end of the string. And as soon as we encounter a space character, we can terminate the loop and we can get the count out of that, right? So here the variation in the inputs can be, for example, hello world, or it can be something like this, hello world with empty spaces at the end, or it can be only world. Okay, so these are the three variations that we can have, and also the fourth variation would be that it's a blank string or it is just string with spaces, right? So let's take care of the blank string first, right? If it is an empty string, right? So if s equal to null or s dot length equal to 0, then we have to return 0. Okay, so this is taken care. Now let's do a for loop. Length equal to s dot length or int equal to length minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, and in this I'll just check if my s dot caret I, it should not be equal to a space, right? And let me declare a count variable here, 0, in count equal to 0. And so if s dot caret I is not equal to 0, then I need to increase my count variable, right? Else if s dot caret I is equal to space, okay, so that means if I get this space here, then I need to break, right? Or it can also happen that this is space, right? But when it happens this way, right, that it's the ending characters, there are a couple of spaces, right? But in that case our count variable will always be 0, right? It won't have incremented yet, right? So we can add the AND condition, and CNT is greater than 0. So if my CNT has already been incremented, which is greater than 0, and after that if I receive a space, right, that means it's a word, right? The word has ended. That is the end of the last word, right? So we can do a break here. Okay, so and here we can return the count. So let's run this. Variable s, okay, s dot length is code. Okay, this is giving right answer. Let's submit. Okay, so this answer is accepted, and if I go into details, it's 0 millisecond, it's 100% faster in Java, right? Let's do the same thing in Python as well. So let me copy this in Python. So if s equal to empty or length of s is then return 0. So this is fine. The for loop I can simply do for I for I in S, and the decrement counter is -1, so we are doing in the reverse way. And here if S of I is not equal to this, and if okay, so we are doing the same thing in Python. The logic is exactly same, and let's run this and see whether it works fine. Here I in S is there, so we can directly check I. It's a for each loop, so we can directly go I. It's fine, and let's submit, and this is also accepted. And Python is a little slower than Java, so still it's 93%. So that's it for this video. If you like the solution, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for future such videos. Thank you.